Hello ma'am, hello everybody. My name is Rakasa Dindata from ABT1A number 23. In this video, I want to describe the public service. It is train station. The train station that I will describe is the Poncol train station. Poncol train station is on Imam Bonjol Street, Semarang City. At the place, I found several aspects. I gave rate 4 to Poncol train station. There are several aspects that I will explain. Number 1, parking area. Positive side is the parking area in Poncol is large and suffice. The level of security is also high because it is equipped with CCTV and officer who guard our vehicle for 24 hours. And negative side is the price is quite expensive, even though it is already wearing the price for the night. The location parking lot with the counter quite far. Number 2, physical condition. Positive side is the Poncol train station is now more organized and looks more modern, even though it is an old building. And negative side is the outside environment around the Poncol is not clean because there are still many people who do not live cleanly. And number 3 is waiting room. The positive side is the waiting room at the Poncol train station has Wi-Fi that we can use while waiting for the departure schedule. There is charger corner available for passengers who want to charge the phone batteries, and also a smoking area for people who smoke. And the negative side is the seats are insufficient. So many passengers are waiting for the scheduled departure by standing or even sitting on the floor. And number 4, the cleanness. Cleanliness at the Poncol train station is very well maintained because clean lines greatly affect the comfort of the arriving passengers. Availability of a sink to wash the passenger hands to avoid germ and stay clean. Number 5, the toilet. The positive side is availability of toilet for passengers who want to urinate or defecate. And the negative side, the toilet is dirty. And number 5, the toilet. The positive side is availability of toilet for passengers who want to urinate or defecate. The negative side is the toilet is dirty and smelly, making visitors uncomfortable and disturbed by bad smell. Number 6 is mini market. The positive side is availability of mini market for passengers who will buy item or material who need it. The location is close to the parking lot. And the negative side is the price is quite expensive compared to other traders. During the pandemic, only a few shops are open. And number 7, worship place. There is a musala for Muslim worship. Number 8, counter. Positive side is the counter is clean and passenger can buy the ticket in orderly manner. Passengers will be given a ticket directly without having to go to ticket printing machine. Ticket guards are also friendly and polite. The negative side is the location is far from the parking lot, so passengers walking first to the front of the counter. Number 9, the price. Ticket prices are based on the destination you are visiting. The farther away, the more expensive it will be. This ticket price also depends on what type of train you will choose. For example, economy or executive. The problem now is how to keep the Poncol train station clean, both inside or outside the station, and how to maintain physical contact with other people during the pandemic. And the solution is we have to dispose of the trash in the space provided. Station officer also have to educate or socialize passengers to always carry their own trash and then throw it in the trash. PT KAI spray disinfectant liquid throughout the station and also included the train's use. Passengers are required to wear a mask. passenger must take a rapid test before ordering a train ticket.